Hey Facebook, I'm meteorologist Zach Covey, and this is your 10 p.m. weather update. The low pressure system that's bringing us all this rain and precipitation is right here, moving off of Florida. It's going to move east-northeast tonight and then start heading northeast tomorrow. And we've already seen a lot of the precipitation move in. If we move to our National Doppler radar, you can see we've got some wintry precipitation moving through the area. If we zoom in here, WVEC supports with some very nice weather radars. Thank you, Evan Stewart, for this. Basically, we've got rain moving off, snow pushing off, the mix pushing off, and that's what's going to happen into the overnight hours. We're going to see this stuff come to an end in the next 30 minutes for Virginia Beach, in the next 15 minutes for the Eastern Shore. Basically, it's already off of the Eastern Shore. It should really come to an end. For the Outer Banks, you guys should see this coming to an end in about the next 30 minutes. Elizabeth City, you guys will see a little bit more, a small pocket of rain moving through, but besides that, that will be it. Now, why is this precipitation moving now? Basically, what's going on is the low pressure is right there. It's going to track this way tonight, and basically by tomorrow afternoon, it's got to be right there. Now, what does this mean? Why are we seeing this precipitation move offshore when I'm calling for 1, 2, possibly a little over 2 inches? Well, what's going to happen is, as the low pressure system moves from here to here tonight, this is where it should be in the wee morning hours, Sunday, 2, 3 a.m. Basically, when it's here, it's going to have some onshore winds, and basically, low pressure systems work counterclockwise. Think a hurricane, guys. You know how hurricanes have those bands. They work counterclockwise. Well, this is a low pressure system just like a hurricane. So as it moves up the coast, the circulation will drag in precip. It will grab precip from the Atlantic Ocean and basically blow the precipitation on shore. Precip mixes with the atmosphere, mixes with the cold air. All this cool scientific stuff happens in the air, and you create rain or snow if the temperatures allow. That's what's going to happen. We're going to see the low pressure system right up, and the circulation of the storm's really going to bring precipitation from the Atlantic, grab that moisture from the Atlantic and throw it into the atmosphere, and basically let the atmosphere do its scientific stuff and create rain, or in most cases snow. So what am I expecting? These are the latest snow totals from the National Weather Service. Not much. This is not a major storm. I know earlier this week on Thursday we said it could be a major storm. On Wednesday we said it didn't look like a major storm. And then Tuesday and Monday we said, you know, this could be the storm, the big one. Something happened. It should have been in Georgia. If it was in Georgia, like in Georgia, we could have seen a major storm. But instead, it's in the Florida, Georgia, so it's not going to be a major storm. Basically, this lighter color is going to represent anywhere from a dusting to an inch. These darker colors going to represent anywhere from an inch to 2 inches. You've got an inch, 2 inches just south of Emporia. You guys could see anywhere from an inch to 2 inches, maybe an inch and a half. Areas of Surry County. I'm still sticking with Smithfield. I think you guys may pick up a little. And then you've got this tiny, tiny, tiny sliver on the peninsula. And that's because the peninsula is expected to see some heavy snow, mainly from areas of Denby, Fort Eustis, where else? Grafton, York, Tab, Oyster Point. You guys will see 1 to 2 inches. You guys should see some very heavy stuff into the overnight hours. But if you're in Hampton, if you're in Williamsburg, don't expect much. It's really going to be a small, narrow section. So if you're in Yorktown, if you're in Seaford, if you're in Denby, if you're in Oyster Point, Fort Eustis, you guys will see, I'm going with, according to this model, I'm going with 1 inch to 2 inches. And that's going to hold true for most of the area, but mainly in these areas in the darker colors, you guys will definitely see 1 inch, maybe 2 inches, I'm expecting. Areas up near Melfa could see 1 inch to 2 inches as well. So that's what I'm forecasting. For now, that's the latest live. For Facebook, I'm meteorologist Zach Covey. Have a great evening, everybody.